right, good morning, YouTube. We're on Q45 Tuesday. We're going to be looking at fractions, a time question, and I like this, finding the area of the perimeter of this irregular shape. Okay, to make a fraction that's equivalent to 1/6, you want to add cuts. We've talked about this before. Now, when you add the cuts, you just have to still make sure that you create equal slices. So you're going to add cuts, but you got to make sure that you create equal slices when you add cuts. So, for example, if I do a cut here, are all of the slices equal? No. These two are smaller than these bigger ones. So that means we have to continue to add cuts. Just want to make sure all the slices are the same. Are all the slices the same now? No. These two are still smaller than this one. Okay. Going to add another cut. Are all of the slices the same now? It looks like all of the slices are the same now. So we went from 1/6 to 2 out of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1/6 is the same as 2/12. 1/6 is the same as 2/12. Okay, so we added cuts. You just have to make sure all of the slices are equal when you add the cuts. Okay, looking at the time question. Kristen started cooking dinner at 4:35. It took her an hour and 20. Oh, we already did that one. Okay, that was yesterday's. Find the perimeter in the area. You can cut this anywhere. Well, you don't want to cut it there, because then you would still have an irregular shape. This would be a regular shape, but then you would have this L here. Can't have that. So let's cut it here. Does that make two regular shapes? Yes. So now we just need to find the area of this shape. See how I'm using my fingers so that you can see. Got to find the area of that shape and then the area of that shape. The hard part here is choosing which numbers to use. It looks like this one's pretty easy, though. 10 by 4 is a 40. Now, what about this little one? We got numbers all over the place. I don't think we want to use that 3, because that 3 is this little piece here. And we want to use this piece and this piece. So that looks like 2 by 4, which is 8. Now you just add up the area of the two shapes, 48. Okay, now we need to find the perimeter. We're just going to go all the way around the shape. And I'm going to cross off the number as soon as I've done that side, so I know that I've done it. Okay, so we have 4 and 10 is 14. Now what's this? See how there's nothing there? Well, if this is a rectangle, which it looks like it is, this side is going to be the same as this side. So if this side is 4, this side is 4. So we have a 4 and a 3, which is 7. Now, what is this little piece? That looks like a 2. Cross it off. And then we have a 4. Ooh, and another 2 right here. 4 and a 2, which is 6. Cross off. And then we have this 3 to finish things off. So look at all those numbers there. 14, 7, 2, 6, and 3. I'm going to group some of these. 6 and 3 is 9. 7 and 2 is 9. And then I'll put my 14 up there. 9 and 9 is 18 plus the 14. 18 plus 14, at this point, you could just use your fingers, is, what is that, 32? 32 feet is the perimeter. Okay, so 32 is the perimeter, 48 is the area. So a little tricky. Okay, let's see. 5 minutes, that's probably good for a homework help video. Hopefully this helps you solve the problems.